Hello world, hello YouTube, hello peoples. This is my first video on YouTube. Today I'm sharing an investment platform where you can earn money through investing. There are many platforms launching every day, but most of them are scam. I mean fake. If you deposit there, you will lose your money. So be careful and do your own research before investing to any platform. I have good experience with this type of platform that I'm sharing today, but I'm not your financial advisor. The platform I'm sharing gives 3.6% profit every 24 hours. Okay, it's every 24 hours 3.6% for forever until they stop giving payout. Basically, this kind of platform stay for 2 to 7 or 8 months maximum. The minimum deposit is here $15. I'm investing here almost $80 in Litecoin. Join earlier after platform launching to minimize your risk. Now I will pay $80 from my Coinbase wallet. Opening now. Okay, it's opened. You can see my balance. It's $80 almost in Litecoin. Join my Telegram channel and group to get daily updates. Links given in the description of this video. You can also get it in my channel's about section. Just support me guys. Share this video on your social media. Okay, watch the full video to see live deposit and everything I shared here. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel and group. Also comment below of this video because I want to know your opinion. Smash the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so when I will upload next videos you will get it instantly. Bye bye.